Okay, so I'll show you this. Obviously, we already turned in the yellow binder, starting period 7, which we just did that with the crash course, okay? So that's where we're at. The bell ringer is the crash course, which we just did, okay? Due Monday, so nothing's due tomorrow. What I'm asking you to do here is go to this website and just read through it, okay? Now, let me show you what you do. That's this website you're going to go to. You want to give a monetary donation, go ahead. And then you just go through just like this. And I'm telling you, this will help you. Sarah, you see this? Reading the overview, Spanish American War. That'll give you some good insight and just kind of scroll through, even if you don't read every little word or every single word. Now, notice this right here. Why is this an exaggeration? I showed you the same picture with the Boston Massacre. There is one heck of an exaggeration there. I got 2 people. 3. Anybody else want to go ahead? Okay, Kemper, so you're in first. Okay, American point of view, American artwork. Katie, what do you see there? You had your hand up. Bro, what were you going to say? Look at how big the men are compared to the ship. They call this yellow journalism, and that's something I want you to keep in mind while you go through this assignment, okay? Yellow journalism. What do you think that means? It's the same thing as sensationalism. What does that mean? Why would anybody make it biased? Okay, what else? You're a newspaper writer. Katie, what are you going to say? Same thing? Okay, I agree. They called this the Splendid Little War. Forget about the people that died, I guess. But that's what this war was called. What war are we talking about? Anybody want to take a shot? The Spanish American War. There you go. So just kind of scroll through this. That's what I'm saying. Okay. Then come back to page 1 of your handout. You see where you have second on there? Yep. Which is right here. I'm giving you the link. It's also in that binder. Okay. 6 to 9, you're going to use your American Vision book. And I realize that that is beneath your level because it's basically just writing stuff in blanks. But please read while you do it. Okay. I know that's not mentally stimulating. All you're doing is writing in blanks, but
Wait, so
okay.
How many questions go with the second one?
Okay.
Is it just all the things that are on the front page?
Well, let me show you, and then we can go through it together. And then pages 10, 11, 12 use this link. So it's 3 total. Okay, back to the first page. Do you see what you're doing on the first page? From 32 down to the bottom.
So it's just all the ones from 30 to the bottom.
Yep. And then there's nothing on page 2, 3 yet, but there will be. Okay. Flip over to 6. You're just using the American Vision book, which again, I know that's beneath you, but I want you to be familiar with this chapter because a lot of people aren't familiar with it. And then 10, you're just watching Adam Norris video, apushreview.com. The only other thing I am going to add for that day is page 2, where you're just going to do a little reading, okay? I'll get that up there, though. Okay, everybody good? All right, we're going to take 2 minutes, a few minutes here. I want to introduce period 7. We'll do the quiz, and then we'll come back ready to roll tomorrow. Okay, so a couple things that you do want to know. Let me actually just make sure this is recording for Lindsay's purpose or sake. You can take a look at the screen, though, in the meantime. See if you can figure out, without Google, without anything else, other than your brain, can you tell me why these years are very significant?